You're welcome back. This is the Capital Market coming to you live from Channels Television, broadcasting from Lagos. I am Bolaji Akinwale. We've been talking about the development in the market just before we went on break, and Abel Ezekiel, our guest, is still here with us. Thank you, Abel. Let's move on now. Let's take a look at the list of advances and also decliners table. I'm going to start from the decliners table where flour mills topped the chart. Now, flour mills actually announced that it is selling off 30%, it's 30% minority equity investment in Unison, and the share dropped at the end of the week. Are investors reacting in any way to this move?
Yeah, to an extent, because flour mill really, they want to consolidate. They had really diversified to different sectors. They're into, the normal, their core area of business.
A number of things.
Yes, into energy, into cement, and now they felt that they wanted to concentrate on their core competence, which is, food, all this flour with wheat and the rest.
So they're moving away from the cement.
They are moving away,
industry.
But what you should remember, or the point you should notice, that their top quarter result, second quarter result was not too fantastic, and that is, part of what is responsible, because within the week it really experienced a lot of sell-off from about 50, I think 15 and 50 kobo. We gained 50 kobo on Monday. Then from Tuesday it dropped. As of Friday it was 41 naira, 51 kobo. To an extent, the company, because of they have invested, they even opened what's it called a vegetable oil company at Ibadan. So some of these investments now have not started contributing to their bottom line, and that is really what is affecting, their earnings and the rest of them. So for now, it's really a dicey situation. They experience a lot of sell-off within the week. The same thing with Seplat. Seplat had come down seriously.
Seplat has been dropping for the past few weeks.
Yes, it has been dropping.
The oil prices, could that be responsible?
Yes, because they have dropped below the price. It was at least about 550 naira. Now they are about 433 naira. So, as we speak. So it has impacted negatively on them. A lot of investors are really, counting their losses. In that
so oil marketing firms, you have a lot to deal with right now.
A lot of
at
them.
This point.
Lot, yes.
Let's take a look at the beginners table. Champion Brewers, RT Briscoe, Qtex PLC, the newly listed Omoluabi Savings and Loans PLC was also on the list of gainers. What do you think is behind this movement?
Omoluabi is like when you have a new bride in town, people really want to have it for now.
You leave the second wife and
something like
that. To the first
if you
wife.
say so, I want to. A lot of investors really want to, for now participate and see what they have in stock. For now, this is still very early in the day. By the time their earnings start hitting the market, definitely the picture will become clearer to investors. At that point, we now know where the water will now find its level as we speak. So that's what is responsible.
Champion Brewers, because time is running out really. Champion Brewers is also a top price gainer. How do you think it is faring in the brewery subsector when we look at the fact that there's been some kind of merger between some companies? We have Nigeria Breweries and Consolidated Breweries.
Yes. Actually, even as we speak, Nigeria Breweries had experienced a drop despite the fact of that merger, which was as if when the information came up earlier in the year, it appreciated close to 180 naira. So
why is it now deep in?
It has already been factored into the price as we speak.
Okay.
And now the general mood in the market, they just have a kind of a negative effect on them because of the general nature in the market. If you notice, even Nestle dropped within the week. And I really wanted to, because we've not talked about NAS, that's OTC market. That is the market for unquoted, securities, because we have the quoted one on quoted security, which it is NASDAQ, that NASDAQ is operating, So for now, that particular sector of market is still vibrant. What's it called? Econ was listed, and DPF, which is Prime Food, that produces Indomie, they were listed. Within the week, they have about
on the OTC market.
On the OTC market, 6.733 billion shares at about 9 naira.
Okay.
And then Econ, about 2 billion shares at 280 kobo were listed.
Okay.
So investors really need to put their eyes in that
on the
sector.
OTC market.
Because we have about 90 securities in that market as we speak.
All right, I know that our viewers who are watching will also take note of that,
Yeah.
the OTC market is now vibrant, and
It's
the
vibrant, yes.
equities market, and of course, you may
Bond
feel
market.
you may feel discouraged to invest in the market right now, but I just want to know that I want you all to know that the market has its downtime and its uptime. So it may be deep at this point, but it will definitely move
Yeah,
up.
better.
Don't forget, it's a long-term market.
Yeah.
It's not just for you to just put in your money for 3 months and you reap profit, but just plan ahead for 5 years, 10 years from now. Okay, and that'll be all we can bring your way on the capital market. Thank you very much for watching. We do appreciate your time with us on the show. I am Bolaji Akinwale. For those of you watching via the terrestrial platform, please expect entertainment news, and from the international platform, that's via DSTV. Coming up next is Dateline Abuja.